Oh my goodness. Okay, whatever. Honestly, it's fine. It's fine. My curls are all sticking together. Okay, so I was playing with the lighting on this video for like 10 minutes straight, and I don't know why. It's so janky right now. I'm sorry. This is the best I can do. Okay, so today we have a pretty exciting video. It's a thrift haul, and I gotta say, I found some really good stuff. I'm kind of a weird person.
You're a weird, quirky person.
Okay, no. I just have like a sixth sense, you know? Like sometimes I'm just like in school or somewhere and it just hits me in the head and I just think to myself,
Melanie, you need to go thrifting.
like I get urges to thrift. And the other day I just had an urge to thrift and then I found a bunch of great stuff. So basically, you know, it was meant to be. So I'm gonna show you guys what I found. Let's start off with this. I got this shirt. I was telling myself I'm not gonna get any more like college wear stuff, but then I got stuff because I suck. I'm hashtag regretting this big time because I'm stupid, but I got this Washington Grounds Crew, like whatever, that's cool. I like the baby yellow, but then I freaking cropped it, and can you tell I cropped it so so it was $2, which isn't like the worst, but I'm so mad that I cropped it so much because like, I don't know, like when I'm wearing it, it's fine. It goes past my belly button. But then once I like raise a hand, it's like psh, flashing everybody. And like, that's not cool. Like I was gonna wear this for like sports and stuff. But you know, like if I'm out there like being active and doing sports and working out or something, and then I won't be able to move my freaking hands. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about this. I'm really sad. I can't like resell it or anything because it's so freaking short. It only fits my like 2-inch torso. So moral of the story, try stuff on before you cut it and don't be stupid like me. Regrets. I just got the Seattle Mariners shirt. I know absolutely nothing about baseball. Honestly, think baseball is the most confusing sport out there. Actually, I don't know. There's a lot of confusing. This shirt was $4, which is expensive for a t-shirt. But whatever. I love thrifting t-shirts because they're like already worn in, and there's literally nothing worse than getting like a cute t-shirt but then it's all like hard and like uncomfortable and you're just like eh. So like worn t-shirts are my thing. I like the layout of this shirt. You can never have too many plain gray t-shirts. Next I got these pants. They just spoke to me because they were like, they fit me perfectly and I really like the tone of them. They look pretty like worn, perfect for like fall and winter, and they're the perfect length for me, which never happens because my legs are literally stubby little things. Like they're so short, no jeans ever fit me. Like I have to cut off like 7 inches on the bottom of my jeans for them to like fit me. So when I found these, I was like, yeet boy, because like most of like my favorite jeans I find thrifted because jeans are another thing. I hate breaking jeans in, so if I can find them already like broken in and comfy, that's a win for me. These were $6 and they're the brand Blue Spice, which I've never heard of, so if you guys know what brand this is, tell me because I don't know what the frick Blue Spice is. I also got this top. It's Calvin Klein. I wasn't very sure about this. This was one of those things where you're walking to the cash register and then something catches your eye and you walk over it and yeah, and you walk over to it and you look at it and you're like, yeah, might as well. So yeah, that happened. This was $4, which is alright. It has vertical stripes on it and horizontal stripes. And you know, I'm a stripe gal. I love me some stripes. And yeah, I just thought it was cool to like mix it up, you know. Also, it's Calvin Klein, and whenever I see brand names, I'm just like, well, I mean, I guess like I have to now. So yeah, that's like really bad, I know. But you know, it's okay. No, it's not. It's not okay. And then this is another thing that I was like, and I saw it like on the way to the line and then I was like, sure, I'll just grab it. But let me tell you, this is the best purchase ever. Like I'm so excited for this. So you know how like Brandy Melville has those shirts? I was about to buy one of those. I'm probably still gonna buy one of those because I'm stupid. But I found this at the thrift store and it was originally kind of ugly because it was longer and then it had like stains on the bottom, but I just cropped it myself last night, and I actually cropped it to the right length. I hope the bottom doesn't fray, which I'm thinking it might, but I don't know how to hem stuff, or I'm too lazy to hem stuff. So, yeah, I'll just let it fray, whatever. But basically, it's just this yellow button-up. It's $6, which I think is a pretty decent price. It's basically just a light sweater button-up, and I love this pale yellow color, and it'll be perfect for the freaking spring, but it's fall right now, and I'm so cold, so I don't know why I just bought 4 t-shirts. My logic? I don't know. I'm gonna go through few things I got from Plato's Closet. Honestly, Plato's has some really good finds, which is pretty rad. Selling your clothes to them, you don't make very much money, but buying clothes there is a pretty good deal. I got these Brandy shorts. I know what you're thinking. Melanie, it's freaking winter. It's 50 degrees out. You're not gonna wear shorts. You are right, but these are like, I wanted these shorts for so long, and then I saw them, and then I was like, I'm gonna get these shorts. So yeah, I got them. They were like $10, I think, or $12. I don't remember, honestly. But these are going to be perfect to wear in a solid, like, 10 months. So, looking forward to it. Then, I got this shirt, which I absolutely freaking love. It's this, like, it's like a dark lavender, like a muted purple shade. Really, really digging it. And it's Vans. Love Vans. Don't know why. I really like not only their shoes, but I really like their apparel too. It just says Vans off the wall, and then my favorite thing, it has the same logo that's on the pocket on the back. You guys know I love it when they do that with shirts. It's just like so good. Size medium, which I'm down with because I love wearing like oversized shirts with leggings and then just some like Vans or something. That's my comfy go-to look. I really like it. Super excited. This was like $6 or $8. I think it was $6, which I was so down for. I was like, yes. And the last thing from Plato's, I don't know why I have it in a plastic bag, but I do. It's just pretty exciting. It's a Lululemon long sleeve. I've been trying to buy this from like Lulu. Like I was almost gonna pay the full like 70 whatever how much it was, but then I didn't because self-control, and I'm so happy I didn't because they had it at freaking Plato's Closet. It doesn't have the tag on it because they ripped it off, so I actually don't know what size it is, and I'm thinking it's not a 2 because it looks kind of big. It's probably like a 4 or 6, but you know what, it's fine. I don't care, okay? Like, the thought that counts. It's just plain white one, and that's the exact one I was looking for. It was $20 at Plato's, which sucks because Plato's knows the brand, so they like up the prices, but 20 compared to 70 is still a steal for me, so I'm good with it. Excited to wear this for all my working out. And then I have only 2 more items. This haul's almost over, which means I have to try this stuff on. Honestly, guys, trying stuff on is so much work, so you better freaking appreciate it. I got this long sleeve because I need more long sleeves because as we've been over 300,000 billion million times, I'm cold. I'm like always cold, always. So I was like, yeah, I need some long sleeves. So I saw this one and I'm pretty sure it was like $5. I don't remember, but it's just navy and it has a little logo. You'll see it in the try on. But it just has the little Tommy Hilfiger logo, and honestly, I'm not a huge like Tommy person. Like if I saw some nice Tommy jeans, not gonna lie, I would be down for that, but I'm not huge into like the like sweaters or whatever. Actually, I don't know, maybe I am. I can't really tell. Very thick and good quality, so it'll keep me nice and toasty in my freezing house. So yeah, pretty down for this. Don't know if I'm gonna crop it because I end up cropping literally I tried to say anything and everything at the same time, but I crop like everything I own, so yeah. And then the last item, of course, I gotta save the best item for last because I was freaking excited, and it wasn't even that expensive. I think it was $6, which isn't that bad, but it's just this Nike shirt, and I don't know why, but I freaking love it because first off, I just love the color. I think it's pretty unique. Teal, like a dark teal. I don't know my colors, so yeah. Really digging this. I have no clue how I'm gonna style this. Actually, that's a lie. I know how I'm gonna style this because it's probably gonna be the thumbnail of this photo. I mean, of this video. Haha, haha. I'm so funny. Haha, future Melanie. Haha. Okay, but yeah, that's enough. There's not much else to say about this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this thrift haul. I hope you guys still like thrift hauls. They never go out of trend because I'm never gonna stop thrifting. I always go back to it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Get my fuzzy socks.